Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add sounds to TikTok favorite section. So watch this video till the end. First, open up a TikTok app. Then click on search icon at the top right hand corner of your screen and search for the sounds you want to add to your favorites. Click on the sound of your choice and tap on to Add to Favorite option. The sound will be added to your TikTok favorite section. So that is how you add sounds to TikTok favorite section. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.